Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix the lack of App Store on your iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. And friends, let's get you and me started. First of all, I want to say that this is a pretty rare problem, but it sometimes happens to iPhone users. It may happen that the App Store disappears because some settings get messed up or something else happens to the phone, but there's nothing wrong with it. First of all, to fix the situation, you will need to go to the phone settings. Then press Screen Time. Then scroll down a bit and find Content and Privacy Restriction and click on it. Next, you select iTunes and App Store purchases. And then the very first thing. And now, as you can see, you have the App Store disabled on your screen and you need to enable it. After that, when you log out, literally after a while you can see that the App Store is back on your screen, and now you can go ahead and download the apps or games you want and so on. This is the simple way, friends, you can fix the lack of App Store on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, comments, and see you soon, friends.